Years ago, as the weather was getting warmer and we were approaching summer, I was approached by a student who asked, Mr. Barella, is there an investment I can make that will allow my money to double over the course of the summer? This is a perfect application and way to introduce the rule of 72. So let's have a look. The rule of 72 says that when we have an interest rate times the number of years money can be invested, when that multiplication equals 72, that is a combination that will allow our investment's value to double. When we know one, we can divide it into 72 to find the other. Let's look at an example now. So you find an investment that is earning 6% per year, and you're wondering, at that rate, how long will it take my money to double? Well, all we have to do is divide 6 into 72 to learn that it will take indeed 12 years for that investment's value to double. Let's look at a second example. Let's say we can find an investment earning 8% per year. How long will that investment take to double in value? So we take 8 and divide it into 72 and get the result 9. It will take 9 years for an 8% investment to double in value. Note as well that we can swap these parameters. For example, if you can find an investment that ekes out 9% and not 8, you can shave 1 year off the number of years it will take for your investment's value to double. Let's look at a third example. Let's say that we can find an investment earning 4% per year, perhaps a long-term government bond. How long will that investment take to double? We divide 4 into 72 and we get 18. That investment will double in value in 18 years. Now, we should take a second to talk about where the rule of 72 is applicable. It is applicable when we get a lump sum. Let's say a person is injured as a minor, as part of a lawsuit settlement, will receive, say, $50,000 upon his or her 18th birthday. And we want to see how well we can grow those dollars over that person's adult life. That's where the rule of 72 comes in, but it does not come in where we want to save money over time and learn how much it will grow to. Now let's use that example of $50,000 received at age 18. How much can we grow it to? Well, it really depends, of course, on the rate of return. Let's say we can find a mix of investments that earns on average 6% per year. If we divided that into 72, we'd learn that we would be doubling our money every 12 years. So let's play that out. So 12 years after age 18 is 30, and we'll have turned out 50,000 into 100,000. 12 years later, at age 42, we'll have doubled it to 200,000. 12 years later, by age 54, we will have doubled it to 400,000. And then again, 12 years later, at age 66, we will have doubled it to 800,000. Now, let's say we can find an investment that earns not 6%, but 9%. That investment is going to allow us to double our money every 8 years, not every 12 years as we had with the 6% investment. Let's see how that plays out for us. So basically, by age 26, just 8 years after 18, we've already doubled our money to 100,000. By age 34 to 200,000, age 42 to 400,000, and by age 50 to $800,000. So we can double it again by age 58 and again by 66. So a 9% investment will have us at age 66 having 4 times the amount of money that a 6% investment would earn us. That's impressive. Okay, we're back. I hope you enjoyed a look at the rule of 72. Stay tuned for a subsequent video called the Rule of 72 Overtime, where we're going to build a compound interest calculator using a spreadsheet. We're going to illustrate the rule as the doubling of money appears basically on the spreadsheet as we build it. So if you've enjoyed this video and learned something from it, please like it, share it, and subscribe to the FinanciaLit channel. Till next time.